set up. The sun's rising. The trees are bending over sideways. Quite spectacular, really. Morning. We survived the torrential rain last night and the unprecedented...
Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
Hey, yeah, I should be dressed. I'm out of frame here. I'm in my long johns.
John's still out of frame. He's making coffee. It's noon. We finally crawled out. Chat later. Good morning, John. He made us coffee. It's awesome. He's got a rad set up with his tent. He can even put his bike inside. Hi. Jonathan, are you happier
Today,
now?
But apparently he doesn't have no clothes.
On Camping with John, we're going to talk about tornadoes. John, what is your thought about a tornado?
There's a lot of wind. A lot of wind there.
Did we endure...
How did you like last night?
It was okay. It was scary.
It was good, wasn't it? Yeah. But what about the how do you feel about the mud walking down to the water?
It wasn't such a great thing. Like, I still got it in my toes.
But it's good for your toes.
It's not mud, it's glue.
It's glue. It's keeping your toes together.
It's Alberta.
It's like
welding.
It's like
or drilling compound.
A pedicure, is that what it is? A pedicure?
Yeah,
it's an Albertan pedicure.
Yeah, it's like a spa here. You know, you can go do a mud bath down there and lie on the beach.
Later on, maybe we'll go down and roll in it, let it dry on our faces, and then kind of splash it off.
We could wrestle.
We could.
But we did have one benefit last night. Just one, boys. The bikes got clean.
Such a girl.
Here's a little look at our campsite. Now that the winds have died down and the sun has come out. We are at the Waterton campsite near Pincher Creek. We are drying a few things out here. We're running the Hennessy hammocks between the trees. We've got a good distance of about 22, 23 feet. Jonathan has his hammock hung up with a whole pole series that he has put together and machined, which is kind of fun. John, on the other hand, has his walk-through tent and bike storage should he need it. Last night we were pretty lucky that the bikes didn't blow over. And of course we have our laundry lines. Our food gets hung up in a tree. We have power source here for charging in the sun.
Coffee.
And coffee.
We have coffee.
The most important. They do have water here, but it needs to be filtered. So again, everything goes through a filtration system.
Or boiled for sure.
Or boiled. Today will be our second day of R&R. In the 6 weeks that we have been riding, we have had only one day off besides this. The trip has been absolutely amazing. We've met so many great people along the way with great suggestions, and we can't wait to plan our next trip. One of the things we've learnt on the way with people is they've asked if we've had a YouTube channel or if they can see the videos. So I might just put it out there. Like and subscribe, and we'll try and do more of this along the way. It was originally and just started for friends and family, but if anybody else wants to follow along, I think that'd be absolutely fantastic. We'll see you soon.